how to create a SoundCloud account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can create your SoundCloud account. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right in. First step, open up a Google Chrome or any other web browser. After you open it up, you'll need to head over to SoundCloud's website. So search for SoundCloud. And there you can see soundcloud.com. Head over there. After you head over there, you can then create a free account. So let's tap on this create a free account option and move forward with creating an account. So there are different options you can go through. You can continue with your Facebook, you can continue with your Google, your Apple, or just your email. So you can enter out your email here and then tap on continue. After you tap on continue, choose a password. After you choose a password, tap on continue and type in your age, then your gender, then tap on continue again. After you go through all of these, you now will be verifying and you'll have created your account. So go through your mail. So after that, go through your mail. You will receive an email. There you can see, tap on it. Now all you have to do is tap and confirm your email by clicking here. And now your account will be verified. Now you can go back here and then use your SoundCloud. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.